So in our last class we have done list. Now let's start. The next one is tuple. You can write the fourth one as a tuple. T-U-P-L-E-S. Okay. So tuple is nothing but same concept as a list. It's a having number, float, and your string, combination of all these things. But here the bracket is parenthesis. There we are giving square bracket, right? Here you have to give parenthesis.
Okay.
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 So now write create a tuple. Let's say t1 equal to something. Within parenthesis. Here no, tuple
Okay.
means list of items.
Okay. So list of okay. You can use string also now, sir.
Which bracket we are giving? That is curly bracket. Normal bracket you have to give. Normal bracket is parenthesis.
No.
Yes.
You can use string also, no, sir?
Yeah, it's a collection of number, string, float, whatever. List and tuple both are combination of all this number, float, and the string. You can write.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now you can do all the slicing concept here. Try to do some slicing concept like let's say print t1, print t2, print t1 of 5, print t1 1 colon 4. Like what I did in the list, same thing try to do and see what is happening. Print t1,
T1.
print t2,
You can run search check once again.
right click run. Okay, run it
Oh.
there. No problem. Run it there. No problem. Okay.
Okay.
Now print t1 of 3. Square bracket. No. See, don't confuse with the brackets. In the print, you have to give this parenthesis. Sorry,
Okay.
normal bracket, parenthesis.
Okay.
And while doing the slicing, square bracket.
What number can you use?
3.
Come
Run.
on.
No, that's it. Run. So T1 of 3. What it will come? T1 is
Wrong.
0, 1, 2, 3.
Wrong
Okay.
games.
But while declaring a tuple, you are giving which bracket?
No,
Normal
parenthesis.
parenthesis. But in list,
Yes.
square bracket.
Square bracket. Yes,
But
sir.
in this slicing, square bracket. Okay.
Square bracket.
So that's you have to remember. Now enter print t1 of 1 comma 4, 1 comma 1 colon 4. Okay. So like that, you can do all the slicing concept here. Try to practice. You can give like this. Now print T1 plus T2. What happened? It is combined plus
Yes, sir.
T1 plus T2. Okay. So like that, all the this one you can try over here. T1 into
Same.
T1 into 2, print T1 into 2. That means 2 times, multiple times. 3 into 3 times. Okay. You coming 2 times?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Any doubt here?
Yes.
Any questions?
So you can use concatenation here, sir. That plus, right?
Yeah, plus is concat.
Yeah, you can give some space means you can possible or not. List if you not given,
No, no,
not
no,
possible, right?
no,
Not possible, right?
no. Write
Okay.
T3, write T3. No, no, there above after T1, T2. No, no, no. While declaring
Yes, sir.
T3 equal to empty bracket, empty tuple. That's it. Now write T1 plus T2 plus T3, T1 plus T3 plus
Okay.
T2.
Okay.
Print
Hmm.
print T1 plus T3 plus T2. Plus T3 plus T2. T3 plus T2.
Okay.
What you are getting?
T1 is as it is come first. Again, T1 T plus combined one came.
No, T3 equal to only bracket. Don't write T1 plus T2.
Okay. That's enough, sir.
Run it. What you are seeing?
It come both.
So here,
Hmm.
actually concatenate means the item of T1 and item of T2 are combined.
Okay.
But T3 there is no item, so nothing is combined.
Okay. Yes, sir. If you give some item, they will combine and will come. If you give
Correct.
something
Yes.
good. String will not string.
Give comma. This is
Comma.
no. If you are giving one item, that is considered as a string.
String. Okay.
Multiple means it will become
Hmm.
a list
So
of items.
triple will not give single, right?
Single means it will become a string, right?
Yes, sir.
That's the reason.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Now come good and told.
Correct. So Mohan, Masood, any doubt?
No, sir.
Then I have doubt. If list and tuple both are same, only bracket is changed, then what is the use? For only bracket only we are using. I mean, if everything is same, for because of bracket only we are using, or anything else is there?
I had the same question first. Then I thought if asking it will be like ridiculous, so I didn't ask.
No. Don't think that. Even it is a silly question, but try to ask it. Okay, there is nothing like a silly question. Okay, because you are fresh, new. Okay, so this is
Yes, yes.
okay. Now save it. Control A, Control X, paste it in your document. So that's what I mean. Just what I can say. Okay, now next topic is difference between list and tuple. It's editing, not editing. 1 second. Cancel. It's in read-only mode. Make it write only, no? Why it is read-only?
That's why right click cross. Yeah. So
Cross it.
cross. Yeah.
Now,
No.
no, it's opened in the read-only mode. Just click here. 1 second.
Once it opens again. One.
Here. Maybe after. After. Okay. Now the next topic is difference between list and tuple. Okay.
Yes,
Now let's create a list. L equal to list means you have to give square bracket. Okay, I should now 10 comma good morning. Okay, now enter print L. Okay, run it. Okay, list is coming. Now write L L1 L within square bracket 1 L within square bracket 1.
So why are you using square bracket?
Square bracket is nothing but slicing, right? I told you. L1 is nothing but what is that L1?
List, no?
L of 1 means what?
Yes.
Print that. Print L of 1. No, there only.
yes, sir. Just
What? No, you want to display means you have to print it. The whole thing you print. No, don't come there. Go there. And in before L write print. Bracket start. And run it. What do you mean by L1?
okay. List of first 0, 1. Okay.
Don't forget all these things. Okay. Don't give
Okay.
space between two print. No.
Okay.
Okay. Now enter. Right. L1
Sir?
L1 equal to 99. L of 1 equal to 99. Now print L. What you can observe?
We can change that good morning into 99.
Perfect. Now L1 is replaced with 99, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now Control A, Control X. Save it. Now this is what list, right? Now let's do the tuple. Same thing. Okay, go there. Go to your PyCharm. Control Z. Now instead of L, write T. Let's say tuple equal to T. And tuple means bracket you have to change.
Yeah.
Okay. Now run it. What is the error you are getting?
Print before that we cannot assign that value, right?
So here it is giving type error. See, this all the errors you have to remember, because in interview sometimes they'll ask, tell me some errors that you got while doing the coding. Okay.
Okay.
So this is nothing but type error. Tuple object does not support item assignment. Okay.
Okay.
That means you cannot assign any value there. That means tuple is read only.
Okay.
That is the difference. Tuple you cannot change.
Okay.
And list you can edit, you can delete, whatever you can do. But in tuple you cannot do any edit and all.
Changes.
Yeah,
Okay.
that is immutable.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, that is the
So,
difference.
that's okay.
So if again next question, like in practical scenario, when you are going to use that and this?
This is using for web design is creating the front end. People are changing.
No, not like that. If any item or anything you want to change it, then use list. If let's say something like some Aadhaar card number or some the value of pi, whatever, something you are not going to change, you can put it in tuple.
Okay. Okay. The
Okay.
unique numbers and all.
Which you are not going to change, you can put it in tuple. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So now save it. Remove this. Okay. Now tuple done, list done, right? Now the next one is dictionary.
Next, fifth one.
Dictionary is represented by curly bracket. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So list is square bracket, tuple is parenthesis, and dictionary is curly bracket. So Python has used all the brackets. Okay.
Okay.
Data type.
So now let's say dictionary D equal to
The ones. So in the data type, we can use numbers normal, right?
number. We are not using any bracket, right? You
Okay.
can string. We are not using anything. Just you have to use single quote or double quote.
Okay.
List square bracket.
Ah.
This is normal bracket or that parenthesis. Dictionary is curly bracket. Okay. Fine. Now let's say D1 equal to parenthesis. Sorry, curly bracket. Write 1 colon 10 comma within quote name.
Name, sir.
Within quote name
Hmm.
colon.
Inside itself, right? Outside.
No, colon. Give some name. Let's say Ram. Okay. Within quote. Always remember string means within quote.
Yes.
Now let's say location Chennai, location within colon within quote. Okay. So now here see, while representing when you are going to represent a dictionary, you have to write like this. So 1 colon 10 name colon Ram, location colon channel Chennai. Okay. So what does it mean? So here this 1 name, and location. These are nothing but your key or index. Okay,
Okay.
and these are called values. The 10, Ram, and Chennai, these are values.
Okay.
So, but in list and tuple, we are giving only values. We are not giving any
Okay.
key or index, because
Okay.
by default it will take 0, 1, 2, 3 and all. But here keys you can give by your own. Okay, that is the main thing.
Okay. Okay.
So now print D, print D1. Okay, now print, suppose I want to print Ram. How to print? Print
Again, you do,
D1 of, what you have to give here?
D1 of
Escape, press
name.
escape, press escape,
D1.
press escape.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
0, 1.
No, here
No,
they,
like I guess print D1 of name, right, sir?
correct. D1 of name.
Okay.
Within quote, name. Within quote. Run it. Okay. Now,
Yes.
if you want to print 10, how to print? D1 of
Print D1 of
what?
1 of. Again, of 1.
Correct. D1 of 1. So here the keys are these are one, name, location, these are the key.
Okay.
There is nothing like 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
What you
So,
are asking?
hmm?
What you are asking first? That is key. Huh? Second one is answer. It will come automatically.
Correct. Now take
Okay.
D2. Take D2 equal to, no, after D1, take another D2 equal to, take some values like this, same, some dictionary. Yeah.
Okay.
Let's say 2 colon 99 20 whatever, comma 10.5 colon something you give whatever. Now do D1 plus D2. Oh, let it be, let
Okay.
it remove that comma. Now do D1 plus D2. Let's see. Run it. Okay.
So,
See, here you cannot
Yes,
do that.
sir.
You cannot do this concat here.
okay.
Okay.
Huh.
And that slicing also, can you do the slicing? 1 to 0, 1 to 10, all these things that we did in list and tuple. Can you do that?
No, sir.
No,
Not possible.
not possible, because we are not doing, it's not increasing by 0, 1, 2, 3 and all. Okay.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yes.
So this is the thing about dictionary. So here
Okay.
the main thing is you can assign your own key.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay, sir.
So these are all about your data type.
Okay, so we can't include, like we can't print together that two D1 and D2, right? So only we can take anything from D1 or D2 as a different command.
Yes.
Okay.
There are separate functions and all are there. While going forward, I'll tell you different things that you can do using dictionary and all. Okay. But this is the
Okay.
basic now.
Okay.
Any doubt? Anything? No? Okay.
No.
Now let's say D3 equal to, take another dictionary, D3 equal to name, curly bracket, name within quote,
colon, list, create a list, square bracket. Give some names, giving comma, 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 names within quote. Okay. Now, 1 second. Then give comma. After the ending of square bracket, give comma. Age within quote. Colon. No, outside. No. Colon. List. Give some the age. Okay. Now print. Come to print. D3 of name. Run it. You remove that comment that D1 plus D2 is giving error, no?
Yes,
That one. Okay, so here I have assigned the key is name. The value is
name.
the value you can assign as a list also.
Okay.
List of values. Okay, so under name I have
Okay.
these many names. Okay, so this basically we require going forward when we are going for this more into the pandas or this machine learning, all this thing. That time you need this kind of stuff or web based and all. So you can need this thing. Okay.
Okay.
So this is how your like that. There are so many things are there. Like try to practice as much as you can. Okay.
Sure.
And so that so we are
Definitely.
done with the data type. Okay.
Okay.
Uh,